Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1, M10 8 quarterfinal. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine, and you, brother?
Good, man. You're taking on the game tonight?
I'm disappointed with the results because ball position and controlling trading chances, it doesn't count in a cup game. And I was also disappointed with the lineup, but I'm not sure. I didn't get the team news. I'm not sure if there are injuries with Usilva and Chislet. And also with this guy Mtasingwa starting ahead of Undlovu. Mtetho. Mtasingwa is a very good player. Going forward, it seems like we sign a good player, but for now, I don't think he's ready. We saw it in Rustenburg. Uguti is not ready. He's making some few mistakes, but I understand maybe coach was looking for a different profile because it looked like a coach that believed a good player, good ball players.
Exactly.
Maybe he was looking for a ball player. And he was expecting Arrows to stay deep so that he can have Lebohang Maboa no Mtasingwa no Ngobo, so to unlock a defense. And also I was happy to see Ngobo in his normal position, but I was not happy with his performance. I understand because last season Bebe Mdlala in the wrong position. Now he's playing as a 10. It affects you as a player, and also maybe he didn't get a proper preseason. He looked like a rusty. So I understand, I forgive him, but we need to be better in a final third. We need so it speaks to experience. We can't rely in these youngsters in a like forwards like Abomfundo, Batman, Ngobo. Because Ngobo will count him as a youngster because Akaka's prove as a Chiefs. We can't say he's a senior player. But
he has been there for a very long time.
Although I believe Ngobo supposed to Chiefs him let it go long time ago, maybe loan or move on the career yake. But I don't want to be too harsh in these boys because I see something. I see a better Kaizer Chiefs this season. So I don't want to kill them only with 2 games. But we expect more Ubola Bafana because management try on their side uksigna ama players, although we didn't get the players we want. We didn't get all the players, but they try. It's up to them to when they wear the jersey, to fight for the jersey, because when you check the quality, it's not far from Pirates, but the difference with Pirates, the players understand the assignment, they understand the way of play, they understand why they wear that badge. So we need to emphasize in that in Chiefs, but we don't want to kill these players because on Wednesday we are playing, Saturday we are playing against Sundowns. So we need to be positive and give them time so that we can criticize them maybe after 6 to 7 games. But for now, it's a disadvantage of M10 8 because M10 8 you play early season in Maikala, teaming ekahlangani, but we don't want to take anything away from Arrows. Arrows has got a very good team. Ngizelang ba underminile because I didn't see them on the market. They sign many players. But I believe in Usimo Dladla. I see into ayenzile ku Durban City. I'm wishing him all the best, Siyanda Zwane. So all the best going forward nakuma team qualifyile.
No, thanks a lot, my brother. Hard luck for tonight.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hola.